Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a classic iron that actually works? You're gonna love this one from Black+Decker. I love this iron from Black+Decker. It's just simple and just a classic iron. What I like about it that it has some weight to it, so it just makes it easier when it glides. So this is a steam or dry iron. So by hitting the orange switch, it'll trigger the steam setting. And this is incredibly helpful to iron out some of those tough wrinkles you get sometimes. On the top of the iron, there is the location where you can put in the water. It also comes with 7 temperature settings, and it has a little description on the iron. It has the dial on the front of the iron where you can control how hot you want your iron to be. Usually the hottest will be 5 through 7, and at those settings you can also incorporate the steam. It also comes with a nice little tag that attached to the cord, which helps it just keep it nice and tidy. And what I like about it is that it has an aluminum sole plate, so it has a nice easy glide. It's non-stick. And a nice feature also is that it has an auto off function. So after several minutes left on its heel rest unattended, it'll automatically shut off. So it'll just give you some peace of mind. I hope your family finds this just as useful as we have. And that's just my point of view.